Okay, now we've just finished writing the code to make our slug move, and now we're going to write some code which makes the slug leave a trail whenever he moves. So when I press the green flag, the slug starts to move and he moves towards the mouse pointer. And I am going to make him draw a trail wherever he goes. So to do that, I need to add a menu called an extension. So I click on this blue Add Extension button here. And one of the extensions I need is the pen. So choose the pen, and that will add the pen down here under my blocks. So at the start of the code, I need to put this block here, pen down. That means that when I press the green flag, my slug draws a trail. It's like he's dragging a pen along the paper. Now a couple of things. I've just pressed the red stop button, and now when I press play, it's like I want to start a new game. So my slug trails from the last game are still on the screen. So I'm going to add a erase all block above here, so that every time someone starts a new game, they won't have this trail from last time. Also, I don't like the color of this trail. It's a horrible blue color, and this slug's trail is supposed to gradually get bigger and bigger. So I'm going to make a whole new block of code here now for the pen. So when the green flag is clicked, I want to set the pen color to this nice color blue. And I'm also going to make it grow gradually. So I need another forever loop, because it's always going to be growing. And then I'm going to use the change pen size by 1. So now when I press the green flag, the slug's trail is growing. But it's growing way too fast. It's even bigger than the slug himself. So we need to somehow slow down this, the way the pen changes size. So to do that, I'm going to look in the control menu. I'm going to use wait, so that the slug's trail go away. Now, every time I press the green flag, the slug's trail size is still the same as it was at the end of the last game. So, I think I've slowed it down, but I also need, from the pen menu, to set the pen size back to 1 at the start of every new game. So inside here, before the forever loop. There we go. It's gone back to being small. It's growing. I still think it's growing a bit too fast. So I'm going to change this to 6 seconds, so it grows nice and slowly. By the way, my slug is going to be a lot smaller in the end. So it will look like his slug trail comes from where he is. Okay, so now we have a slug trail that grows gradually, and it is the color that we want. Very nice.